Hey guys, welcome to the channel. As you can see, I'm off out in the mountains and on a rough trail, but I stopped here to take a break. Gotta get back going now. So, been making lots of videos, checking out lots of trails, found a lot of cool stuff. So I'm fixing to get back on the road here and see if I can find my way out of this trail this way. Not, I'll have to go back the way I came, but it's pretty rough. Get this show on the road. So it shows I'm at the end of the road. I'm off the map anyway. But a lot of times that don't mean nothing. The map don't show them all. Shows a lot of them. I want to see. Whoa! What is this? This looks bad. Oh, maybe it ain't as bad as it looks. It ain't good, but it ain't probably as bad as it looked. Well, there's some big old rocks out here in this road. Some of these roads or trails, whatever you want to call them, are like stupid rough. Some of them are real nice. But the rough ones is usually what goes to the good stuff. I gotta pick my way through this mess. Definitely don't see nothing on my map now. Don't want to hit that rock. So CT125 definitely gets you where you're going. Whether you want to go there or not. Somebody brought a salt lick out here, or mineral lick out here for the cows. Off out this rough trail. He's not bringing his Toyota Prius out here. Guarantee you. I don't know. I've been on some crazy trails and seen some cars on some stuff that they definitely should not have been out there. People are crazy sometimes. Stuff they do. So I'm at 5,200, 5,300, I guess, feet elevation here. So I'm not down in the low stuff right now. I mean, I'm not up on that mountain over there either, but definitely out in some rough stuff. Wouldn't want to take the gold wing out here. It gets rough right here, looks like. Oh, it's not like it ain't doable. I think I'm going to get into a creek bed. Dry creek bed. For sure. Definitely what this is. It's rough. CT125, you just kind of take it easy and you just kind of go where you want to go. Slow and rough. Seen one deer today. Barely seen it, but I seen one. It's not been a day full of deer like usually I see lots of deer. There's a creek over there. We're gonna come out on the Mud Spring Tank Road. Never seen no tank out here. What was that? I heard something. Huh. It almost sounded like a donkey. Maybe Bigfoot. Maybe I don't want to know what it is. Just keep on going. Well, I've had this old trail 125 through some rough stuff. It just keeps on purring. Don't use much fuel doing it either. Only holds like 1.4 gallon. I've used one bar. I've not even hardly, I ain't used even half my gas yet, and I've been out here for 5 hours today. Found all kinds of stuff out here. This place is tore up. People on their side by sides been coming through here sideways. Sometimes it's smoother not to ride on the trail. Ride beside it. Smoother than the trail. You don't go too fast on this CT. It's just too rough on this stuff like this. It beats you to death. And it's not fun anyway. It's fun just kind of putting around on these trails. We have come to the main road, looks like. There, I don't think I can go through that tunnel. Huh. Well, that's that. Good little trail anyway. It's rough, but it's fun. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Click that bell icon. You'll be notified when another video comes out of mine. We'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.